Hey, so what good girl really depend? People, run come look. People, me give away all of my furniture them. Empty out my apartment. Clean. Uno hear right? Yeah, give them away, not sell. Give them away. Because the way how me just get up and do this in a this poor of the moment, me give them away completely. And me pack everything what me have left back in a 3 suitcase. Right, you? What them say? People, no one no better than your yard. Yeah. And Jamaica is always my home. Me no know about nobody out there, but you see me, I have a special love for my country. Yeah. Me never dream to leave my country permanently. That was never in the making for me. Yeah. Me love the little vacation thing and the little traveling thing. But you see Jamaica, yeah, that a for me base. Yeah. What me say? So guess what? Me pack up everything like sardine pan. Yeah. So people, honestly right about now, me and the rat them in a Schiphol airport, I go have a festive time together because me never see so much rat in our airport before. But me and them, yeah, we are going to have a nice conversation for the next 6 hours until my flight because me now pay $500 for 6 hours in our hotel, my love. You don't know, say me say cheap and clean. So people, after me and the rat them all a reason, whole night long, in the morning, me and the airline in a one piece of elevator balloon. So me have to empty out one whole suitcase, so me only fly with two because them want 22 euros per extra kg. Me mama, people made it over by 20 kg. Me think they would have charged me for an extra bag. No, me love, them want charge me per kg. People, me just empty out 3 batch of things. Yeah, the first batch empty out, weigh them back. Second batch empty out, weigh them back. Me empty out until me see 54 kg and people me still have to go pay for the 4 kg and a 66 euro me end up pay them for jaja. But you know what? As long as me playing a land of Jamaica, that's all me care about, yeah. Me nah make nothing stress me, yeah. Right through what me say, Jamaica land we love.